if you are wondering how long does the battery last on iPhone 17, then the answer is quite simple. According to some tests performed by various different websites, we can find out that the average time of the battery, or actually how long does it last on a single charge, is around 15 hours, more or less. This of course depends on many different things, like how often do you use your phone throughout the day, what kind of features are you using, and some other stuff, like if you play games, if you watch videos, and so on and so forth. But assuming that we take into consideration just the daily average usage of the phone, then it should be like approximately 15 hours. So if you just make calls with your iPhone 17, then you should get like 21 hours or so. If you browse the web, it should be like 12 hours. For watching videos, if you just watch videos, then the average time is more or less 22 hours. And if you play games, then you should be able to play games for like even 10.5 hours on average, of course. Keep in mind, of course, these results actually vary depending on many different things, like I mentioned. So you just have to keep that in mind and, just be aware that these results can be different for you. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.